What I wish I knew when I started, instead of years later, that short videos are your digital storefront. Hey, entrepreneurs, ready to skyrocket your sales using just a minute of footage? Here's how. Tip 1. Showcase your products. A quick spin, a splash of color, and boom, your designs are alive on screen. Tip 2. Peel back the curtain with some behind-the-scenes action. People love seeing the magic happen. It builds trust and adds a human touch. Tip 3. Dropping something new? Announce it in style with a snappy teaser. Keep them eager and watching. Tip 4. Ride the trend wave. Blend trending music and eye-catching effects to make your videos pop and buzz. Tip 5. Team up with influencers. Their shout-out could be your next big break. Tip 6. Flash those deals and steals. Nothing screams, buy now, like a tempting discount in a flashy video. And lastly, Tip 7. Talk to your viewers. Engagement isn't just key, it's the whole door. Use these tips to turn your short videos into sales machines. Hit like, smash subscribe, and keep hustling smart. See you at the top.